बाकीचे कुठे आहेत? फर्स्ट लेक्चर संपला ना? येस, घाणे, प्रकाश, विजय.
येस मॅम.
किती उशिरा येतात तुम्ही लोक? आणि असाइनमेंट काय करायची आहे की नाही तुम्हाला लोकांना आता? मी तुम्हाला क्वेश्चनिंग, आपला नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कधी आहे? हा, आज पण 12:20 ला पण आपलं लेक्चर आहे, राईट? आपण बघूया, मी तुम्हाला देते बरं, असाइनमेंट पण देते, म्हणजे तुम्ही असाइनमेंट नोट्स आहे ना सर्वांकडे? येस, बोला. येस, नो बोला. प्रकार?
नाही मॅम.
नाही मॅम. ओके. बरं, मी
नोट्स पण
पीडीएफ,
आहे.
हा ओके, बरं, मी पीडीएफ सेंड करीन तुम्हाला. मग युनिट टेस्ट असेल या टेस्ट असेल त्याच्या आधी तुम्हाला मी नोट्स आणि असाइनमेंट देईन, ठीक आहे? पीडीएफ पण प्रोव्हाइड करीन मग मी तुम्हाला. मग चला बरं, आपण
ओके मॅम.
ओके, लेक्चर स्टार्ट करूया. Okay, so yesterday we have seen about this changing behavior, then rethinking old behavior, then these some points, right? So today we will see next point, okay, which is in this chapter only, this point also. So step for control uses, this also we have did. Okay, now today's point is not this one. Recycling. What are the steps to? What are the steps? What are these steps? Okay, to be taken for recycling. Okay, non-IT components. So what are the steps to be taken for recycling non-IT components? So most 1 minute. So this is not a non-IT component I wrote here. Okay, I written like this, non-IT component. So this is a point which we have to study now. What are the steps to be taken for recycling non-IT component? So most companies now are already having a set producer of how office stationery and other items need to be recycled. However, in order to make proper plan in this direction, following pointers can be considered. So what I means, listen, most of company now are already having a, just 1 minute. Okay, so most company now are already having a set procedure of how office stationery and other items need to be recycled. However, in order to make a proper plan in this direction, following pointers can be considered. So the first point is which consider like, just 1 minute. Okay, the first point is furniture. Okay, furniture. So this is the first point here. So here, out furniture, then cube circles or worker station can be good option in case the need is short term. For long term use, buying used or refurbished furniture can also be considered. For law means renting out furniture, okay, and cubics for workstation can be a good option in case the need in short term. So what we say that the most company now all are already having a set procedure of how office stationery and their item need to be recycled. So first of all, the point is furniture, that is a long term use, buying use or refurbish furniture can also be considered. So cooperative buying, practicing in cooperative buying program, the amount of reusable business waste going into landfill can be reduced. Also, reduction disposal cost and allows to buy materials at the low price. Then environmentally preferable purchasing plan. Environmentally, environmentally, environmentally preferable purchasing plan. Purchasing plan. Okay. So here, 1 minute. Environmentally preferable purchasing plan. So organization can adopt an environmentally preferable purchasing plan. This establishes environmentally policy for the short materials that is being purchased. Some consider include following like paper. So like paper. So here what organization can adopt an environmentally preferable purchasing plan. This establish environmentally consequence policy for the short of materials that is being purchased. Some consideration include following like paper. One should prefer buying 35% to 100% post-consumer recycled paper. Through it was once rarity is now available with most of the suppliers. Then supplies. So numerous business supplies such as clipboards, binders, post folders, envelopes, notepad, notebooks, and calendar can be purchased with different percentage of recycled constant. As with paper, many small and online retailers offer great variety of products. Then paperless. Electronic fax and scanned documents should be considered as a option in place of hard copies and files. So here, environmentally preferable purchasing plan. Here, organization can adopt an environmentally preferable purchasing plan. This establishes environmentally consequence policy for the short material that is being purchased. Some consideration include the following like paper, then supplies, then paperless. Okay, so here what? One should prefer buying 35% to 100% post-consumer recycled paper. Through it was once readily in now available with the most of the supplies. So supplies here numerous business supplies such as clipboards, binders, post-its, folder, envelopes, notepad, notebook, and calendars can be purchased with different percentage of recycled content. As with proper, many small and online retailers offer a great variety of products. Then paperless. So here, electronic fax and scanned documents should be considered as an optional in place of hard copies and files. Then generator. So here, products that are more than 35% post-consumer recycled content must be bought, like business card, like business card. So what here janitorial means here chlorine free, okay, products that are more than 35% most consumer recycled content must be bought. Business card can be bought that are printed on recycled paper, okay. So here we are watching, means we are studying about recycling. So the I said that papers, recycling is means 35 to 40 100% most consumer recycle the paper, like old one papers and all. Then suppliers here, numerous of business suppliers such as clipboard, binder, then post-it folder, envelope, notepad, notebook and calendar can be purchased with different percentage of recycle content. Okay, they are purchased for the recycling content purpose. Then paperless, if you doing electronic flags and scan document, and should be you consider as an option in the place of hard copies. Then no need for here recycling, but right. So you have here you can see business card. So business card can be bought that are printed on recycled paper. Okay, this printed on recycled paper. Then food product. So here food products, you can say cup, plastic, silver, where then can switch to the comfortable food service ware, street food. Okay, then bags, plastic bags need to be replaced by paper bags, since plastic bags are made of you can say petroleum product and do not biodegradate and cannot be recycled. So plastic bag need to be replaced by paper bag. Okay, then so this is about the environmentally preferable purchasing plan. Okay, if you buying the paper, so try to reduce the bag plastic bag to the paper bag. Food product, means this also this means paper and all also recycle with the food bag product, means some wrap with papers, right, like food paper bag they can supply the food product in this, right. So this is about this supply paperless business card, also printed or recycling papers, which okay. Then energy here, what are the steps taken reduce energy consumption? So what are the steps? Okay, what are the steps reducing energy consumption, consumption, consumption. So in this, the amount of electricity consumed in the non-IT place of the organization can be reduced with below mentioned steps. So amount of electricity consumed in non-IT place of the organization can be reduced with the below mentioned step, means like appliances. Okay, in appliances. So here various appliances including you can say refrigerators, air conditioner, microwave and so on must be energy star certificate. They are certified as they use less power than non-certified product. So here what are the steps reducing energy consumption? So here appliances here, so various appliances including refrigerator, air conditioner, microwave and so on must be energy star certified as they use less power than non-certified product. Okay, then rebates. Rebates here. Whenever the business is means in the meaning of this like means here this is a second point, like means a business. Okay, whenever the business is located, you will be able to get some sort of rebate for changing the type of lighting you use and similar other facility for uh just- okay. So rebate means here whenever the business is located. Okay, I mean you know very well appliances now. Okay, Appliances means the whatever our home appliances like fridge, you can say air conditioners, it is called appliances, microwave and so on, must be energy star certified as they use less power than non-certified product. Then rebates, like you can say like type of discount. Suppose whenever the business is located, you will be able to get some sort of rebate for changing the type of lighting you use the similar other facilities. For example, the San Francisco Department of the Environment, in partnership with the gas and electricity company, okay, gas company, electricity company, provide free energy audits, reports, technical access, and rebate for commercial customer in San Fenarius. Means it give the discount for the commercial customer in San Fenarius. Okay, Francisco's. So in here, whenever the business is located, you will be able to get some short of rebates. Okay, then pollutants. What are the other source of pollutants and how can they manage? So here, what are the other source of pollutants and how can they be managed? How can they be? Let's see now. Okay, manage. So here there are many materials required in urbanization, and environmental impact can be reduced through the types of material used, some as follows: cleaning cleaning product. So in this, just 1 minute. So here you can say that most generator cleaning products contain ingredients that may cause harm to human health, indoor air quality, and environment. Some ingredient in generator cleaning product can instantly burn the eye, skin, and lungs. By choosing the least toxic cleaning product for your organization, you less your environment impact, and you also lessen the chance for an employee to be harmed. You can determine which product have low level of toxin by observing the following: reading the product label and material safety data sheet. So in cleaning that if we not read properly, if we use the like is suppose generated of more of toxins, तर त्याने काय प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतं, एक ते बॅडली इम्पॅक्ट आपल्या मीन्स इन्व्हायरमेंटला तर बॅडली इम्पॅक्ट करतोय, जसं की आपल्या मीन्स वॉट एम्प्लॉईज जिथे ते कंपनी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये वर्क करतात तिथेही त्याने स्किन लंग्स मतलब बर्न करू शकतं, मतलब हे ह्युमन्स हेल्थला पण बॅडली इम्पॅक्ट होतो आणि प्लस इन्व्हायरमेंटला पण, राईट. सो ह्याच्यासाठी जेव्हा पण आपण काही प्रोडक्ट घेतो तर वी हॅव टू रीडिंग द प्रोडक्ट लेबल and material safety data. Okay, material safety data sheet can help you make this determination. The material safety data sheet of many cleaning products that are sold to the general public can be found in the National Industry of Health Household Product Database. So here, ex- examine the list of industrial cleaning products that have been certified by Green Seal as meeting its. So examine the list of industrial cleaning products that have been certified by Green Seal as meeting its standard. For generation cleans and GS Green Seal 40 for floor care product. Read the generator pollution prevent website. The public service website has fact sheet on safe and effective cleaning techniques for window, carpets, restroom, and other cleaning job. Call the manufacturer to ask about any less toxic alternatives they offer. Many vendors have several product lines, or one of which may contain less harmful ingredients than the others. So this is the cleaning product. Ask to the vendor. Okay. Then paints. So paint can contain toxic heavy metals, whereas cleaning solvent can consist of toxin and petroleum-based products such as mineral, then xylene that emit volatile organic component which can combine with other pollute to create ozone. Latex or water-based paints, zero or low volatile organic components, finish and varnish rather than oil-based paints must be used. Then carpet. So carpets made with natural fibers, recycle nylon or low water means VOC, that is a symbol one volatile organic component must be considered. What a volatile organic component can vaporize and enter the atmosphere, thus contribution to indoor air pollution. Carpet made with natural with natural fibers, recycled nylon or low VOC mesh. Then you can say lamps. So, okay, here. So, okay, flu- fluorescent lamps. Okay, so here fluorescent lamps, energy efficient fluorescent lamps that contain the lowest amount of mercury content. So motion detector or light rooms only when people are present, and use of timers for other lights can be considered. So energy efficient fluorescent lamps that contain the lowest amount of mercury content, so it is good. And motion detector of light rooms only when people are present. Then paper here. uh, so here office paper, unbleached office paper, generator uh, janitorial paper product including paper towels, then toilet paper, napkin and toilet seat covers can be better option rather than the regular product. Then toner categorized, locally remanufactured toner and inks categorized can be bought, and also care must be taken to recycle the others ones. Then rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable rechargeable batteries. So here batteries contain cadmium, mercury, cobalt, copper, zinc, lead, magnesium, nickel, and lithium. If batteries leak, they can cause burn to the eyes and skin, but they can also pollute the environment, right? If batteries leak, right? Because they contain the hazard substance, right? And most of the chemical which can badly impact on our environment. So these heavy metals may leach from landfills, then contaminate soil and pollute surface water and groundwater. If incremented, this toxic chemical can be released into the air. Whenever possible, choose products that operate without batteries or use rechargeable batteries. Nickel methyl hydride and lithium rechargeable batteries are preferable to nickel cadmium batteries because they are less toxic and can be more easily recharged without losing their power. Then ink. Printing ink can contain such heavy metals such as barium, cadmium, chromium, and lead. They also can contain alcohol and toxin hydrocarbons. If disposed improperly, it can contaminate surface water, groundwater, and soil. Vegetable-based inks can be used. Then, so you have to use the vegetable-based ink. Then lead. Sorry, not. So here, this lead. If green building products are used in the building and project you, so green building product are used, okay, and the green project you will be get better quality, a cost saving, better indoor air, must measure the protection for the environment. The USA Green Building Council offers rating system called the leadership in the energy and environmental design. So a lead is nothing but is the full form, that is the leadership, okay, leadership in energy, and environmental design. Environmental design. Okay. So here is green building product are used in building and remodeling project. You will get better quality, a cost saving, better indoor air, and measure projection for environment. The USA Green Building Council offers rating system called the Leadership in Energy and in Environment Design, that is nothing but the LEED, with its suite of standard for environmentally sustainable construction is a supply. Because of the inclusion of environment consideration, LEED, that is the leadership in energy and environmental design, creates healthier work environment. It also leads, no pun intended, to higher productivity and improve employee health and comfort. Okay, it helps to improve employee health and make their comfort. Green building cost more design and construct when compared to the conventional building. So this is about some point which we have seen today. So in next section we will see telecommunicating, how do it work, then work rules, review of request, okay, this type of point, pre-approval and approval, ongoing monitoring, this type of points we will see next lecture. Okay, so today's lecture over here. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आपला 12:20 ला आहे. मी शेड्यूल आता सेंड करते. ओके, आज आपले 2 लेक्चर आहे. ओके, आजच्या लेक्चरला काही इश्यू प्रॉब्लेम? येस, टेल मी. फातिमा, प्रकाश. येस प्रकाश, टेल मी.
नाही मॅम.
ओके, यू कॅन लिव्ह नाव आणि 12:20 ला जॉईन करा. ओके.